Clamshells on your back stabilizes the pelvis, so your back and knees are protected. Lie on your back with a resistance band around your knees, then spread your knees apart. The glute med holds the pelvis in place. Place bands around your ankles and lift toward the ceiling, leading with your heel. Work your transverse abdominis by flattening your lower ribs and back against the table. Put your hands behind your ribs and push them into the table. This bridge exercise starts by squeezing a firm ball or pillow while using your glutes to lift your bottom off the bed. The co-contraction eliminates instability between the spine, pelvis, and leg. Place band around your ankle and walk sideways. Lead with your heel, not your toes. Don't move your torso, keeping it straight. Sit with your feet touching and push your knees to the floor. Hold for 30 seconds. Sit and reach as far as you can, holding for 30 seconds. Kneel and lean forward. The field is hip flexor stretch for 30 seconds.